My name is Zane, and welcome back to Altcoin Disrupts. This video is about Binance Coin. Bitcoin and Ethereum up up high as hell as Binance Coin becomes third largest cryptocurrency. Binance and Ethereum continues to set new records as Binance Coin has leaped into the top three currencies by market cap. Now, interestingly, XRP used to be the third largest crypto coin in existence. It used to be. But ever since the scandal, the problems, they got removed from Coinbase, XRP has been a fallen soldier. However, surprisingly, the price hasn't been affected that massively. They've lost some supporters, they've lost some money, but not as much as you'd think. They haven't crashed and burned. Not yet. They might rise again, and you might be surprised. But we're talking about Binance Coin, and we've got a lot to talk about. So, in brief, market continues to tick up, with Bitcoin accelerating above 50 grand US dollars. Binance becomes the world's third largest cryptocurrency. Stock markets are down as traders look for individual companies to continue gains. My mistake. It was another good day for crypto investors, but some had better days than others. Bitcoin ticks up less than 1% as it continues to hold on to its gains it made this week. But at the time of publishing, the project has been gaining aggressively and now sits above 52 grand. Actually, this article is from February 19, 2021. Today's date is February 21. So this article is a few days old. So that's why you're seeing 52 grand. Bitcoin is actually at 58 grand right now, interestingly enough, and that's a new record for Bitcoin as well. Ethereum sets new records yesterday, nutting into the 1900s, and at the time of writing is still here. Again, Ethereum as well is probably above that because this article is a little bit old. While DeFi has been the engine propelling the price of Ethereum ever higher, yesterday Nvidia announced it was releasing a range of GPU tailored specifically for Ethereum. Interesting. Um, it's interesting because Nvidia is going to become one of the most valuable chip making companies, especially for mining cryptocurrencies. And cryptocurrency will always be profitable for mining around the world, and it's just getting started. In the hours after the announcement, Ethereum price reaches 1,955 before settling down. But let's get into the Binance stuff. But the price for most improved in the 24 hours goes Binance Coin, BNB. The currency created by the exchange of the same name has been surging up in cryptocurrency market cap ranks. At the time of writing, BNB has pushed out Theta as the world's third largest cryptocurrency. Wow, interesting. Theta. After XRP, Theta probably took the third place in the largest cryptocurrency in the world, and now Binance Coin is. And I think deservedly so, Binance Coin, deservedly so. Because let's not forget that Binance Coin used to be worth $29, and this was less than a year ago. March last year, it was worth $9. That's just incredible. So Binance, it used to be worth less than $1, and this was, what was this? It doesn't say date, but I'm guessing this was probably around 2017 or 2018. But it's interesting where Binance Coin has came from. It's came a long way, and this just proves this is an exchange coin. Exchange coins have a lot of potential, especially if it's a decentralized exchange like Uniswap. Um, So we're going to get into that. But listen, guys, I must mention that I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not giving you or anyone financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes. So let's get into it. Why the surge? That's the question. PancakeSwap, the decentralized exchange, which is built on top of Ethereum's smart chain, overtook Uniswap as the world's largest decentralized exchange by trade and volume yesterday. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao took to Twitter to announce the news and the project gains against Bitcoin massively as well. From a humble 0.0001 BTC per Binance Coin, we have now grown 480x against BTC in the last 3.5 years, said Zhao. The gains for PancakeSwap appears to have come at the expense of the DeFi project. Uniswap saw a 3% drop in its token price overnight. AVAR is down 8%. It's interesting that AVAR is down 8%. And Syntix, which is up until only last week, has been sat in the top 20 largest projects by market cap, has slid to the 31 thanks to the back-to-back losses. Lastly, Dogecoin is the project at the mercy of Elon Musk's Twitter account, saw a 10% gain in the last day as the project recovers from its most recent hype cycle. Never a dull moment. Dogecoin is a fascinating coin. I've got to be honest. I mean, it really is, to see where it came from. And don't get me wrong, Dogecoin was already popular before Elon Musk, but Elon Musk has made it insanely popular. Because I remember people talking about Dogecoin and saying that they wanted to try and get the first 1 million Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is nothing new. U.S. market down as I turns to GameStop Robinhood here, and we're not really going to talk much about that, but I think you guys get the gist. It's important to discuss this because there's a lot of crypto exchanges out there, and some of them have their own coin. And if Binance Coin is doing this good, just think of other cryptocurrencies, exchanges that will profit, whose coins will become extremely valuable because of the service they provide. So exchange coins are a large potential, if in case that wasn't already clear. Let's get into some other news, and this is interesting. Binance gets officially unbanned in Russia, and this is important because I never knew Binance was banned in Russia. And this news is over a month. Well, actually, a month exactly. So this news came out on the January 21st. Well, it came out in Decrypt anyway. So let's get into it. Binance had been officially prohibited in Russia for several months, but that ban is now being overturned. And I'd like to find out why. In brief, crypto exchange Binance website has been officially unblocked in Russia. A regional court stated last September that Binance was illegally distributing information about Bitcoin. Interesting. Such cases are usually caused by the lack of clear definitions. Definition of cryptocurrencies in Russia's legislation, expert noted. The District Court of Russia's Arkhangelsk, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that properly, region has lifted the ban on crypto exchange Binance website in the country. Local news outlet Kommersant reported today. The original ruling was made by Marinzi's court of the same region. But yeah, it's officially unbanned. So that's quite interesting.